What is it?
Then
Cacao.
break it,
Yeah, then break it and then we take the seed.
the seed inside, yeah.
What's this? Is that
This is the curcuma. No, this is the flower, yeah. The curcuma is on the root. It's like
Like turmeric to cook.
Oh, it's a spice.
yeah, it's fine.
It's like a gingery, that same family with green.
Okay.
How long will it be?
Oh, this is pandan?
We use it for we slice it to make the offering also.
Pandan, isn't there pandan cake or something?
Yeah,
From Singapore?
this
It doesn't smell
is for the
anything.
coloring.
It doesn't smell like
For the coloring.
I have a really bad sense of smell.
No, that one is not.
We have a lot of
There's
those.
one that's supposed to smell. That smells just like grass.
Oh, ooh, that smells good.
A little bit,
What's that?
a little bit better. For
Yeah.
me, this is
The younger.
What's in this?
That smells better. That smells like pandan.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Give it to Mandy.
Oh,
Here, Mandy. Can you go cook? Chili! Daddy!
I'll jump over Mandy.
I see a chili! And not the chili. Stop. Oh, my chili!
This is like this is not the color yet. There's a seed. So there's a black pepper and white.
It does smell like pepper.
Come, hey, try it.
It does smell like pepper.
That's one of what. It's very similar.
You like chocolate?
Just so here, just
You wish.
which one is that?
This is
The white? That white pepper? White pepper is strong, right? I don't like this smell.
Look at the legs. Now me. Look at the spider legs. Wow. Look. Oh, whoa. That's ready.
The red one is
The red one is ready.
I saw this bug last time next to my face, like super close, because I didn't see it.
Why?
See, this is why you do.
I don't know. But that was fun. Yeah, I totally get it.
It's fun to be scared.
Hey.
That's, see, this is how people get like bitten by stuff.
I love taro. I didn't know taro looked like this.
Yeah, it's underground. Underground. It's like cassava.
Like cassava?
Dragon fruit.
Where's cassava? I want cassava. This is not aloe. Oh, dragon fruit. I love dragon fruit. You mean the fruit? Hey, isn't it like a Taiwanese vegetable?
I need
No,
that.
I would call it a Taiwanese. Is it a vegetable?
Dragon fruit's a fruit.
One is like this. So they gonna open the skin
Dragon
and it
fruit.
become like this.
No, no.
So they just need to
Yeah, not
keep
that
it dry.
You know what?
Smells like coffee.
Yeah, this is still wet.
What's this?
I like it. On my mouth.
Yeah,
That's
but that's
cold.
not what I'm talking about.
So in
my God,
inside
are
the
you
coffee,
kidding me?
there will be like two of these,
She's putting an
and
ant
then
on
one like this. So this is a female. This one is male.
Oh, this smells good.
So in one
Good, try
bean.
it.
So does ant feces. Daddy, what's that vegetable that we like? It's like dragon.
White pepper.
White pepper,
Dragon bean. Oh.
black pepper.
Oh, I love those.
Oh, this one.
Oh!
But they not eat curry every day because they normally eat fruit like banana or papaya. But when they have a coffee, just coffee, so there's no other thing. And they swallow the coffee, not bite the coffee. That's why the poo is pure coffee bean.
Why? So they swallow the coffee and
And then
then
the processing, like the ferment gets the coffee and then poo. So the
and then you
poo,
take out the coffee bean.
yeah. So that's they make the coffee from the poo.
I never knew that. I thought it was actually their food.
No, if the normal poo is like that, that's the normal poo.
Oh my god! Oh my goodness! I was thinking, oh my god, people are using poo.
So
It's actually the coffee bean
that
in
they
the
make
poo.
it is from
So in the
the
future, I'll eat the coffee bean. I poo. You drink my coffee. I'm a cat.
Now I get it. Oh, I had no idea. I learned this fact. Luwak. All those different colors. I'm very happy that I found this out. Otherwise I would tell you that
banana, this one papaya, but that's not the play with this one, so we can make a tea.
guava.
Another banana.
Tell me, you gotta see this little pineapple. It is so cute. That is so cute. Yep.
Yeah. This is someone just dropped it there.
Yeah. It's the fruit of the plant. First it's a flower, and then it becomes a fruit.
This is my pineapple place for a guava.
Where's the guava?
This is guava.
Where?
This is the fruit.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
I had
This
no
is guava.
idea.
The fruit.
I love guava. I love guava. In Taiwan, we have very yummy guava. Where? Taiwan.
Yeah.
Taiwan guava is really sweet.
Pink guava's my favorite.
Oh, we don't really eat pink guava in Taiwan.
Yeah.
Never fresh.
Ginseng.
So if we
Oh, I'll tell you what happened. So that cat, that animal you said, they eat the coffee bean. And then it goes through their stomach and digestive system, and it kind of changes the, I don't know what, the coffee bean. And they poo it out, and you wash off the poo, and you take the coffee bean that they pooed out, and you make that into coffee, and you make it into coffee. normally eat Luwak.
You like chocolate, guys? Yeah. And this one coffee bean we take directly from Arabica coffee. So in Bali we have Arabica and this one coffee from, but we use more Arabica coffee because the taste is more smooth and intense.
So why is also more expensive? Because this good quality.
All of this is same Arabica coffee, so this already we dry but not roasted yet. So they don't have aroma because the aroma they come after roast.
Normally they wild in the forest. They attack just in the night time and sleep during night.
So in the glass you can see the cooked coffee from the
poo we
animal.
collect every
Did you see
morning.
the
Just to
animal in the
hunt
cage?
Yep.
we wash the poo many
So
times
that's
to
just
kill the
for showing to
bacteria.
customer only, yeah? We give them 1 week. After 1 week, we let them out. We change with the new one. Yeah, because it's not good for the animal. They stay longer than 1 week.